Well, starting this bulletin with the NDTV impact, the owner of the Tamil Nadu-based pharmaceuticals company that manufactured the adulterated Coldrif cough syrup, which is linked to dozens of deaths in several states, he has now been arrested. Ranganathan Govindan, he had been on the run since the cough syrup tragedy. Ranganathan, who owns Sresan Pharma, he was arrested in Chennai by the Madhya Pradesh police. In fact, Ranganathan is charged with adulteration, culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, but endangering the safety of the children. The Tamil Nadu Health Minister, in a belated move, has said the license of the pharma company will be permanently cancelled. The arrest, it comes in the shadow of the recent tragedy in Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara, where at least 20 children died after being administered a cough syrup which is suspected to be contaminated. Now, investigations have focused on this one particular cough syrup, Coldrif, a brand which is produced by Sresan Pharmaceuticals in Tamil Nadu. 4 children, they have also died in the neighboring state of Rajasthan. Meanwhile, the Tamil Nadu government, it has acted against the pharma company that was manufacturing this deadly cough syrup near Chennai. The government has suspended 2 senior drug inspectors and also said action is being taken to shut the pharma factory permanently. In fact, what began as a series of mysterious deaths in Chhindwara has now turned into a chilling expose of how India's drug regulation system, which is meant to protect lives, it collapsed under its own weight.
जहरीली दवाई के आधार पर जो बच्चों की दुखद मृत्यु हुई या वो बीमार हुए, इसके खिलाफ हमने तुरंत एसआईटी का गठन किया था और आज मुझे जानकारी दी गई कि हमारी पुलिस ने न केवल तमिलनाडु के अंदर उस दवा निर्माता को पकड़ा है, दबोचा है, ये बात वो बताती है जिसके कारण से हमारी सरकार इन कामों के कारण जानी जाती है जो दक्षता के आधार पे होते हैं। दोषी कोई भी हो, हमारी सरकार उसको छोड़ेगी नहीं।
जो एसआईटी जो यहाँ से गई थी छिंदवाड़ा से, उसके द्वारा जो श्रीशान फार्मास्यूटिकल्स के जो मालिक हैं रंगराजन, उनको जो है लेट नाइट उनको जो है राउंड अप किया गया और उनकी अरेस्टिंग की गई है। जो प्रक्रिया है उसके आगे के उनका मेडिकल और बाकी की जो कार्रवाई है वो चेन्नई से करके उनको फिर यहाँ लाया जाएगा।
All right, my colleague Anurag Dwari now joins us to get us more on this. Anurag, there is a massive crackdown after NDTV's multiple reports in both the states, in Tamil Nadu as well as in Madhya Pradesh. What is currently happening in Madhya Pradesh? Give us a sense of that.
Yes, so the Chief Minister is in Nagpur and he's meeting the family of the patients admitted there in different hospitals in Nagpur. And as far as the investigation goes, a special investigative team of led by DYSP of Parasya, Jitendra Jat, they reached Chennai on 5th, and then along with the Ashokanagar police station area of Chennai yesterday in a meticulously planned operation, because they were keeping a track of the vehicles, of the banking transactions, of the flat and official premises of Mr. Ranganathan, who himself 75 years old and a pharmacy graduate. So first they kept a track of all his movements, and late in the night in a dramatic operation he was arrested from the Kodambakam area of Chennai, and now he'll be presented before a court there in Chennai for transit remand, and then he'll be taken to Chhindwara.